Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So today we'll be just practicing some major functions within the dplyr package. So let's first install our package and also create a sample data frame. So our data frame looks something like this. It has 5 columns with trees, location, risk matrix, elevation, and slope category. Yeah, of course, I just made it up. So maybe we will just run this code and then I can explain the individual functions. So yeah, here this is our result. So what are we trying to do here? So here the pipe operator, I think we already discussed in the previous videos. It's just to sequence through the rows. For example, here what I'm telling is that first I have the data frame, then I'm looping in, and then I'm doing a particular operation, and the output of this operation will be the input of the next operation here. So it's just to create a sequence for the operations, that's all. And here I have used few of the major functions within the dplyr package. For example, first I'm using the filter function. So as you have seen from my previous videos, it helps you to subset the rows. So what I'm telling is that I want to have the rows only where the elevation is between 300 and 400, because see, I have a column for elevation, and once that criteria is satisfied, then I will go to the next line. So in this line I'm telling we need to group our data by trees, location, and slope category. So that's why our result is here. It's first grouped by trees, then under trees it's grouped by location, and then under trees and location it's grouped based on the slope category. And next I'm telling is that I want to summarize. So this actually creates a new column where the new column is the average height. And yeah, it don't make sense, but yeah, I just made it up. So average height is actually the mean risk matrix. So it should be like something like average risk matrix or something. So yeah, it's actually the mean value of the risk matrix. So if you want to use something like summarize here, we need to make sure that you are grouping it before, or else this won't work. And after that I'm just using mutate. So mutate is also a function that we discussed, which will allow us to create new columns. So I'm creating a new column here called at risk, and I'm giving the values based on the average risk matrix value. So if it's below 7, then I'm telling that okay, it might be at risk, and if it's above 7, I'm telling it might not be at risk. So that's pretty much it. And we can also use select function to select the columns that we need. And if we use exclamation here, that means that we don't want a particular column. Here I use dplyr dot select, because sometimes I have seen that when we just use select, it's not working because of some discrepancy in terms of the related version. So for example, if I run this code here, the slope category will be removed. See, so here we have slope category. So we told that okay, we want to select all the columns except the slope category, so that is removed. And yeah, this makes way more sense. Well, yeah, that's all for now. I just wanted to give you guys an example of the functions we were discussing in the past few days, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with a new video. Till then, ciao.